Hi writers, welcome back to our community writing space. Today is Fancy Up Day. So today is the day where you're going to take that piece that you've been revising and editing and you're going to add the fancy parts to it. So you're going to maybe take your crayons and color your pictures and add any other finishing touches that you want to your writing. You might feel like you need another page at the end, like a final page. Or you might want to write a front cover and give a title to your work and then put your name on the front cover because you're the author and you're the illustrator, right? Boys and girls, I am so proud of you. You've been working so hard on your writing skills at home without me, and I've loved seeing your brave spelling and all your cool topic ideas. I can't wait to share this with your classmates. So today, take some time, find your writing space, get your crayons, your writing music, and relax and get that fancied up feeling on your writing and get ready to make it beautiful. And when you finish today, please take pictures of all the pages for me and send me those pictures either in Schoology or a text or through Dojo so that I can save them, see your work, and then share it out with your class next week. I want to put your work in my slides for our writing time next week and share out different stories and different all about books each day. So I can't wait to see what you've been working on, and I can't wait to share it out with your classmates. If you want to, you can send me a video in Schoology of you reading it to me. I'd love to hear you read it too. But make sure I get pictures of every page, okay? Okay, writers, your final day. Get yourself ready. Turn on your writing light, and your writing music's on the next slide for you. And off you go. Have a great time at writing today.